Subhash Ghai started his career as an actor, then became a writer, followed by director and producer. Throughout his 50 years in cinema, he's given us countless hits and launched the careers of several newcomers like Jackie Shroff, Madhuri Dixit, Meenakshi Seshadri, and Mahima Chowdhury. His iconic film, Qarz, just celebrated its 40th anniversary, and despite a crazy 2020, Subhashji remains very positive and full of hope for the future.
I want to start by asking you how these last 3 to 4 months have been for you in the lockdown with the pandemic. How are you coping? What are you doing day to day?
For me, the whole COVID days have been blessings to me, at least I can see that, because I have been born and brought up and with the theory that you can do better in crisis. And I'm a boy of crisis, right from my childhood. Crisis made me actor. Crisis made me from actor to writer. Then crisis made me writer to director. Then from director to producer, producer to corporate, corporate to educationist, educationist to now what I'm there.
It's going to be interesting to see how you reinvent yourself after this crisis as well. 2020 has been a very rough year for the Indian film industry. When you look back at 2020, how are you going to remember this year? Or what's going to come to your mind?
I joined my film industry in the 1970, 50 years now. And there was not a single year when I did not hear one line, now industry is going to face a very big crisis. Censor is going to be very strict. Industry is going to doom. मैं तो सुनता ही आया हूँ 50 साल में 50 बार तो सुना है अभी क्या होगा इंडस्ट्री का, अभी क्या होगा मार्केट का. आते रहे बनती रही पिक्चरें, और भी ज्यादा बन गई, और भी बड़े बजट बन गए, और भी खूबसूरत फिल्में बनने लगी. तो ये आपको वरी करने की आदत है कि अभी क्या होगा. जो होगा देखेंगे यार, इसमें हम इन्वेंट कर लेंगे. हम हिंदुस्तानी लोग हैं.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
So you think that the cinema industry specifically is going to bounce back after all of these calamities and the shutdowns? How do you feel the theaters are going to do in India?
Theaters are going to be shut for some time, not for all the time. Problem with us is that we feel the world is over. We are over. No way. It is just your lockdown for a certain period. So the theaters, so the entertainment, so the cinema, so malls, so the restaurants, so food. But it will happen, it will open. But when cinema will open, it will open in a big way. Why? Because cinema is very much an integral part of our entertainment and our smile and happiness. Of course, we have OTT, we have television, but we pass our time. देख लेते हैं, ये भी देख लेते हैं. ऐसे ही होता है ना. चलो ये भी देखते हैं, जब टाइम मिलेगा देख ले. सिनेमा में हम तैयार होके टिकट बुक करके गाड़ी में बैठ के थिएटर में जाते हैं. उस थिएटर में दे लॉकडाउन you in the darkness for 2 hours and 2.5 hours and sit on particular one seat with a stranger aside and now focus on the theatre screen. See what is the story is going to happen. It is going to come back with a big bang rather, I would say. ये तो टाइमली अभी OTT में आ गया. ये देखिए फिल्में आ रही हैं. मीडिया का काम क्या है? करंट प्रॉब्लम्स को एनलार्ज करना कि इसके बाद वर्ल्ड खत्म है. वर्ल्ड इज ओवर.
इमली का बूटा बेर का पेड़, इमली खट्टी मीठे बेर, इमली
I want to speak a little bit about the tremendous loss that the industry has also faced this year. I mean, I'm sure you've been in the heart of it all. Let's start most recently with Saroj Khanji. I know you worked with her on so many projects. What is it that you want to say about her, to eulogize her? And also, what is it that you remember the most about her work?
Saroj Khan is an example for all younger generation. How to open your door in the darkness of a tunnel and be a star. She faced the biggest crisis from childhood to her young age. When I met her first time in 1982, after Karz, my film Karz, I needed one choreographer because my previous choreographer, Mr. Suresh, died. So I wanted, there was a climax song in the Vidhata film called Vidhata on Sarika. So one of my co-artists, Aruna Irani, told me, can I recommend you a lady choreographer? In those days, there were no lady choreographer, all men were there. So I said, lady choreographer means? I said, yeah, she is. I said, I'm doing a very small film, small budget film. And I saw the way she directs and she dances is amazing, Subhashji. You will love him. You just meet him once. And he called her. I met her. I said, well, I believe her that you are very good. I'm going to give you this song. And if you prove this song in climax of Vidhata, I will give you a full picture. I'm going to launch very soon. She said, yes, sir, I will do my best. And she did that song. Vidhata's climax song, Sarika. When I saw the song, and I saw her choreographing the things and dancing, I gave her the full picture called Hero.
लोगों से सुना है, किताबों में लिखा है, सबने यही कहा है, सबने यही कहा है, प्यार करने वाले कभी डरते नहीं, हारते नहीं, जो डरते हैं वो प्यार करते नहीं, जो डरते हैं वो प्यार करते नहीं।
You posted a message about how Karz went from being a flop to the top. Talk about that journey. I remember reading that message and chuckling. Talk about that journey of Karz and what you remember from it.
People didn't realize that Karz has come or not. Fifth day, I asked my B-class center theatre people, managers, what happens? Is it doing okay? He says, no, sir, it is not doing okay. Because in UP, the people are asking, they are questioning the story part. I said, why? He said, if Raj Kiran has been killed, what is the problem with Rishi Kapoor? Why he is so worried about? So
Tough year for the industry in terms of the amount of loss that we faced, starting with Rishi Kapoor ji, then Irfan, then Saroj ji, Sushant especially. What are your thoughts on Sushant Singh Rajput and the fact that his new film, Dil Bechara, his last film, actually just had their trailer release yesterday?
What a pity. Such a wonderful boy, such a sweet boy. Whenever I met him, he was so respectful, so loving. I didn't know him much personally, but I knew he was a budding star. He was coming and he had a great future. But I feel very bad for him, that how come he proved himself so weak? The crises are there, oppositions are there, humiliations are there in everyone's life. Even the leaders, political leaders, even the spiritual leaders, even all of us, we have faced, while jab hum upar aate hain, we face a lot of things. There's a big code that you have to go through: humiliation, opposition, rejection, to get a success. How he could lose a heart? If now people are blaming, that's a different story altogether. You see, there's a blame game. But I always think about him, this boy. How could he take those things in his heart that he finished his own life? No, It's not done. You should fight.
You know, his death has brought up so many conversations around nepotism in the industry. And that's one thing that you really can't ever be accused of is nepotism, because you always gave these new talent a chance.
Within this nepotism world, let's discuss this. Everywhere, Queen Elizabeth, Prince Charles, Rajiv Gandhi's, Raja ka beta Raja. The son of king is a king. It's a history. Epical histories में लिखा हुआ है. Doctor's son is doctor, army son is army son, army man, lawyer son is a lawyer man, film man is a film son. So what is wrong in it? But there is an open competition. And in competition, the only judge is audience. Strange audience, people who do not know you personally. They watch your work. You excel and you come there. They don't care. They will just go in the very first film. अच्छा इसका बेटा है तो देखते हैं कैसे. They are born right from the childhood with their star children only. So they have been brought up. They have been very friend and pals to each other. For me, it was never is a star son who's suiting to my character. Star son or a non-star son. Immediately I brought a boy from nowhere called Jackie Shroff, son of a producer, Mr. Anil Kapoor. So it was never in my mind कि किसका बेटा है, अच्छा कौन है.
लेकिन आज मुझे पूरा यकीन हो गया सर कि धंधे और करियर के बारे में भाई भाई से जल सकता है.
हम तुम्हें मारेंगे और जरूर मारेंगे, लेकिन वो बंदूक भी हमारी होगी, गोली भी हमारी होगी और वक्त भी हमारा होगा.
नायक नहीं खलनायक हूँ मैं.
किस किस्म का प्यार चाहिए तुमको? किस तरह का प्यार चाहिए तुमको?
खुद से पूछो, जैसा तुम करते हो दूसरों से. ऐसा प्यार चाहिए हमें.
I want to ask, in this pandemic, how is Whistling Woods doing? It's one of the top film institutes in India. You started it along with your family. How are these people coping right now, the students there and the teachers?
Yeah, I'm very proud to share with you that Whistling Wood is one of those few schools in India who are still running every day. Their still work students are there. The moment lockdown was announced in March, immediately they connected students online. So there are regular classes going on. All these 3 months, there have been classes, there have been exams, there have been tests. There is no disconnection between the student and the faculty.
Do you miss those directing days of yours? You were talking so fondly of these memories of you directing. Do you think we'll see another Subhash Ghai directed film in our lifetime?
I've taken my own time because I have to relax, I have to look after my Whistling Wood. I have to look after theatre business. We have 40 theatres in India. Cinema business, so many things, and I'm also developing scripts. I have to produce. We are going to produce 3 films this year. We were supposed to announce in May. Now we will announce in January start, because 6 months away. But one of the film I am going to direct it. I'm young. Hello. You used to direct. Hello, Jitin. Are you okay? I am coming to you.
That's exactly what we want to hear. That's great news for your fans. Absolutely. Subhashi, 50 years in the industry. How are you celebrating this milestone? I know you said you have 3 films this year. What advice do you have for young talent? And there's so much of it, so much young talent entering the industry. What do you tell them? How do they sustain themselves for their 50-year career?
I always tell my students at Whistling Woods, who are the young filmmakers, use your technology, but more than technology, tell a story of a human being. You are a storyteller of a human experience. And to know the human experience, you should experience the human being. His issues, his problems, you should feel, you have empathy. To you, in your country, who are the young filmmakers, I would like to tell them, listen, make stories about the people you really know, you have been brought up. You have grown up with them. You have felt them. You have watched them. You have experienced them, about your town, about your culture, about your families, about your peers. issues which you are there in the ambience. And if you tell that story, you are going to mark big way. Don't imitate movies. Learn technique of movies, fine. But when you tell a story, tell your own story you have experienced. Means either it's your story or the story whom you really with grown up. So be rooted about your land, about your culture. Tell your own story. People will love it.
हम मिले ना मिले, हम रहे ना रहे, रहेगी सदा यहाँ प्यार की ये दास्तां, सुनेंगे सदा जिसे ये ज़मीं